Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T bringing you another quick video, man. And it has been a minute. It's been a minute since I hit y'all with a top-down case review video, but I gotta get one last case review out for the iPhone XS Max before it goes bye-bye, man. And what a better way to end the whole iPhone XS Max case finale with cases from Casetify, man. So first, before I get started, man, huge shout out to Casetify for dropping me these cases to review. And I got a little special something in this case, man, that should be pretty dope. So before I also get started, I have to always give a huge shout out to Casetify because their presentation game when it comes to packaging is second to none, man. They always kill it when they come with the presentation. So a huge shout out to them, man, especially when you're a reviewer like myself. They kind of make it nice. They make it special for you indeed. So definitely a huge shout out to Casetify for that. But yeah, let's not go ahead and waste any more time. Let's just go ahead and see if we can actually go ahead and get into the box. So as you can see, man, Casetify, and we got the casetify.com down below. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, we are not done. We still got some more, man. We got a little thanks a million card right here. So basically a little thank you card. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side, but let's go ahead and untie it. Let's just see what we got in here, man. You already can get a little sneak peek of what we got going on in the cases that we have up on deck. And yes, we have the Casetify Impact cases for the iPhone XS Max. Now, like I said, man, presentation is everything. So let's go ahead and get these up out the packaging. Let's go ahead and get it up out the box, lay them all out, and let's just go ahead and see, what we're working with, what they bundled all up in this nice package. All right, so we got everything up out the packaging, man, and let's go ahead and go through the cases one by one. Now, I'm not really gonna break them all down because they're all basically the same exact case, except we are rocking different designs on each one. You already see the personalized one that we got going on here. So let's just go ahead and let's just start off with this one, man. So here it is, Casetify Impact Series cases. Now, if you don't know about Casetify, if you haven't seen my channel before, I did a review of these cases a while back. I will be sure to link that video above, but they are by far one of my favorite companies to go to if I want to rock a clear case. They absolutely make high quality. Yes, you're going to spend a little penny, but for the quality that you're getting, man, you will not be disappointed. So let's go ahead and start off with this thing, man. Let's just go ahead and take a look around the case. So you see it is a clear case, and on the inside you do get some shock absorption material. So if you were to drop it, man, you would definitely be good in that category there. Now let's take a look at the camera. Now one thing I really like about Casetify cases is their camera cutout, man, because it has that Casetify logo there. You already know when you see that you are rocking one of their high quality cases, man. And you already know on the bottom, all of your cutouts are spot on, no issues whatsoever there. And flipping it over on the back, this is their custom design type of deal. Now, so if you want to get something customized on your Casetify case, then definitely reach out to them, man. I'm not sure if this camera picks this up, but this is a high quality print on this actual case. It's like a vinyl that's on it. So if you can see on the inside, it's almost like a sticker, but if it is, or however it is on the case, man, it is very, very high quality. Does not feel like it's going to come off. Very nice little touch. Hitting me up, see if I want a personalized case, man. And of course, you already know that I do. So let's go ahead and slap this before I drop it. Let's go ahead and slap this iPhone XS Max up here and let's go ahead and take a look. Starting off with that lay on the table protection. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector up here, but when you look at all of the corners and all the way around, it does have a slight lip that goes above it, but it is just enough to where if you were to drop it, you should be good to go in that lay on the table category. Next up, let's take a look at how the case fits on the phone. Now, if you don't know about Casetify, their cases fit very, very good. There's no exception to this case as well, especially when it comes to the Impact series. Although it is a stiff case, when we're talking about clear cases, there's nothing flimsy about this. So even though they are a very stiff case, they do make it fairly easy to take off. I know a lot of people hate that some cases, and especially some of my favorite cases that you've seen on this channel, are very hard to take off, but no, these are actually very, very easy to take off. But it doesn't sacrifice no fit finish, quality at all when it comes to this case. The fit of it is A1, no issues at all. Next up, how does the case feel in your hand? Now this case, of course, is a clear case. Now you guys know me when it comes to clear cases that they do tend to get a little bit slippery, especially if you have hands that produce a lot of, moisture and different things like that. The sides can be a little bit slippery because it is straight clear, and that's what you're rocking with these clear cases. But I will tell you what, man, if your hands doesn't produce a lot of moisture or anything like that, you can really get a good grip on this case, and you don't have to worry about anything about the phone slipping out or anything like that. But if it does slip out, man, you do have this material on the inside that's going to help a little bit with that shock, so you should be good to go. Now let's go ahead and bring over the wireless charger. And I already know these bad boys work with wireless charging. We really ain't got to get into it too much. So they do indeed work with wireless charging. So here is the personalized Technically T Impact case from Casetify. So let's go ahead and slap the rest of them up here just so you can see what they look like, because they all are the exact same case. Next up, here is a camo version. So if you want to go ahead and rock out with the camo Casetify, man, definitely give it a look. Very, very nice color. No issues, man. Looks very good. You get that same premium fit. Like I said, these are all the exact same cases, except they all have different designs. So if you want to rock that camo look, man, definitely check this out. Really like this one. Next up, we have this geometric type design. Now this is also a very nice futuristic design. I really like this one, man. Of course, I'm going to like my, my personalized one, but this one right here definitely does look good, nice and subtle, especially if you have that space gray, or it doesn't matter what color phone you have, man. If you have it, it definitely does add a nice little touch. And I like that the case is black, but you still also get that black outline going around the camera with the white Casetify font, man. So very, very nice look right here. And last but not least, if you want to keep it a little bit plain, but just put a little something on the back of your case, man, definitely check this one out here. Gives you some type of squiggly lines up here. Now, I'm not sure the names of them. If they have a particular name, you can definitely check down the link below. And I'm pretty sure you can get all the details when it's surrounding these cases, man. But I just want to bring you the quick review about this case. This one is another little nice option, man. If you want this design, then definitely go check it out. So here are the Casetify Impact series for the iPhone XS Max, man. So if you are interested in picking up one of these cases, then definitely go down below, check out the link. And also for rocking with me, man, they want to rock with you as well. So for everybody who's watching this video, put the code 15 Technically T in the discount box, and that will save you 15% off of your purchase over there on the website, man. So like I said, head over there, give Casetify some love, man. Tell them I sent you. Go order you a case and enjoy some of their premium clear cases, man. But Technically T, definitely smash that like button, comment down below, and you already know, hit that subscribe button if you rock with your boy, man. But I will catch you on the next one. Later.